Hello everyone and welcome back to RiceFix, and in this video I will show you how to remove or replace this Hyundai Grand i10 door panel, this one. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time then see that you subscribe. Now to take out this panel, the first thing that you will have to do is you will have to come near this storage space, you can even call it a door handle, and inside of this you will see that there is a hidden cover. Now this hidden cover or cap you will have to open with a screwdriver like this, and once you open it you will notice that there is a screw inside. Now this screw you will have to take out now. Now to take out this screw I will make use of my drill. So here comes out my screw and it looks something like this. Then you will have to come on top near the door handle, and here there will be a similar cover. So open this cover, and inside of this cover also there will be a screw. Take a screwdriver and take out this screw as well, and then you will have to take out this entire cover which is behind the lock assembly and keep it on the side. Then you will have to start pulling the panel from this corner, and as you pull your panel will start to come out. So pull it on all the sides and your panel will come out like this. There is still a wire connected to it, so see that you disconnect this wire first, and once you disconnect that, your panel is now totally separated from the car. Now as you guys can see that I have taken out the front door panel, and now I will go to the behind door panel and I will take out the panel of that door as well, because once you know to take out the panel from both these doors, then you will know to take out the panel on all the doors. So once you open the door, come near the door handle, open the cap and take out the screw. Then take out the entire cover and keep it on the side. Then come near the storage space, open the cap from here and take out the screw from here as well. Once you take out both the screws, now you will have to start to pull the panel all around, and like this your entire panel will come out. But still there will be a wire connected to it, so disconnect the wire and your door panel is now totally separated from the car. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Rice and Finance signing out until we meet again.